That's it.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you, all of you.
Yeah. We got a haunted house coming up. Yeah. You got that.
Yes, I do. That's why I don't allow my students to open the windows in my classroom because I get scared of something was going on. Is it- Was it scary or fun?
Everything.
I can hear someone walking up behind me.
too.
Sometimes, you know, when you have those movies, when you go and you have to put the, what is that, the glasses on? The 3D glasses. I went to a movie and you had to put those on, and then they said, the door opened and it was mice all over the place. Scary. Very scary. No. Just like I just. Oh my God! I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you.
No,
Do you go watch a lot of scary movies?
no.
So
I don't like the negative vibes of scary movies. I think the only thing I'm probably scared of would be getting dropped in the middle of the ocean.
She doesn't get scared. That's great.
No, I'm just not one of those people who gets really scared easy.
Still looking to marry the million Miss
Yes.
Lowlack. What does scare you?
To be honest, when I was a child, the idea of dying really scared me. Yeah, the idea of dying really used to scare me as a child.
No. She
Really?
doesn't get
I
scared.
don't really. It takes a lot to scare me.
No, they are not. Actually, we kind of keep them.
Oh, shoot!
I scared myself. Y'all did so good. That was great.
I'm very scared easily. And believe it or not, I still. Shallow wrong for that. Why would you? That was awesome.
We were wanting that reaction.
It about gave me a heart attack. Like my chest is over here, my heart is still beating.
You're a good.
That's serious. Like, that was